In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Printify account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into the process of setting up your Printify account, which is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to create custom products that you can sell online. Whether you're an artist designing your own merchandise, a small business owner expanding your product range, or just someone interested in starting a side hustle, Printify can help you get those unique designs into the marketplace quickly and efficiently. First, let's open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer. Chrome, Safari, or Firefox will all work just fine. Once you're in your browser, type in printify.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll be directed to Printify's homepage, which is vibrant and user-friendly. Once on the homepage, look at the top right corner and you'll see a green button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click that button. This will take you to the sign up page where you have a couple of options. You can either sign up using your email address or connect using your Google or Facebook account. If you're comfortable with using your Google or Facebook account, that can streamline the process for you as it saves you the hassle of having to create yet another password. If you choose to sign up with your email, simply click on the email option. Now, let's say you decide to go with the email option. You'll need to fill out a few fields. Start by entering your email address in the designated field. Make sure you use an email you have access to, as you may need to verify it later. After you've entered your email, create a strong password. It's important to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Once you've done that, check the box to agree to Printify's terms and conditions, and then click on the Get Started button again. If you've signed up with email, Printify will send you an email to verify your account. So go ahead and check your email inbox and look for a message from Printify. If you don't see it within a few minutes, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. When you find the email, click on the verification link that will allow you to activate your account. After clicking the link, you'll be brought back to the Printify website. At this point, congratulations! You've successfully created your Printify account. The next step is to set up your profile. This is important to help with any future transactions and ensure that your store is professionally presented. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information like your name and your business details if you have a business. Fill that in as accurately as possible and continue. Now that your account is set up, it's time to personalize it a bit more. You'll want to add your payment information so that when you start selling products, you can easily receive payments. Head over to the Settings section, find the Payment Information tab, and enter your details there. Printify works with various payment methods, so choose the one that suits you best. Finally, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You'll notice that it's user-friendly, and there are plenty of resources available. You can find a library of products you can create, connect with various e-commerce platforms, and even learn about the print-on-demand process. Spend some time getting familiar with these features, as they will be valuable when you start uploading designs and creating products. And there you have it. You've not only created your Printify account, but also set the foundation for your journey into the world of print-on-demand products. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new Printify account.